Visiting Hawaii this time feels a little different. It's likely my last vacation as a student before graduating master's and stepping into a new chapter of my life. I don't know if it's just me, but there's a special kind of simplicity to traveling as a student compared to adult, where the world feels wide open and the weight of adult responsibility hasn't yet settled in. I wanted to capture these moments so when I look back, I'll remember the lightness and freedom that made this time in my life so unique. Me and my friends are currently, I'm just walking to the meetup point with my friends at the main entrance, and then we're gonna head to, I think it's called Volcano Park, but yeah, stay tuned. What is up, everyone? We're at the convenience store right now. Hey, what's up? Matt, this stuff, man. Hey guys, we're currently trying to find volcano but couldn't find any. Sorry if this is really dark, it's just super dark here. But we're just gonna give it one last try before giving up. And see where this goes and if we could find any. But yeah, peace. Hey guys, we're walking back right now. Unfortunately, there's no volcanoes in the area that we're exploring, but we did kind of searched up. One of our friends did find this one other place that's supposedly have a volcano view
from the distance.
From a distance, so we're gonna head there right now to kind of bet our last chance and see if we could catch a volcano sight from there. But overall, the experience was, even though there was no volcano scene, the experience was really fun, yeah. Look, it's right there. That one. Yay! Woo! Yay, we found it. Kinda, even though it's small, but it's still volcano. Hey guys, we're back from the volcano trip. We're driving back to our hotel, and on the way we stopped by this convenience store which has the cutest bathroom keys. Hey guys, currently I think it's day 3 since we arrived at the main island of Hawaii, and right now we're just gonna go snorkeling at a nearby beach a little before heading out to grab some lunch and snorkeling again a little in the evening as well. But yeah, that'll be all. Hey guys, we're at the snorkeling place. Maybe just play with the water a little, you know? Just got back from the beach, and right now we're just getting ready, taking a short break before going out for lunch. And then after lunch, we're planning on also heading to one of the local farmers market to see if there's anything that's worth buying. But I think it's gonna be fun, so yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, we're currently at the farmer's market. It's currently raining outside, so we're trying to hide a little in this fruit shot. But yeah. Finish my papaya.
Okay, somebody steal my little 法式.
Hey guys, we just finished lunch and now we're walking to
It's not lunch, baby.
and now we're walking to this sushi place. And now we're walking to this supermarket place.
No, it's a coffee place.
Oh, and now we're walking to this coffee place. And after the coffee, we're gonna go to the supermarket to find some medicine to see if we could catch some medicine and stuff like that. But yeah, it's gonna be so fun. Yay, stay tuned, please. Hey guys, we just finished our coffee and we're walking to the supermarket right now. Wow, it's so cool. Hey guys, we just got back from the supermarket and we're currently at the night diving place. But yeah. Officially done with night diving.
Hey.
That's pretty okay. Status check. Hey guys, so we decided to stop by this place called Chevy's Diner to grab some food after the night diving. Hopefully we're able to get some quality food. But yes. We ordered 5 oxtail soup, 1 beef stew soup, and 1 pork dumpling soup to go. So, yeah, hopefully it's good. We're all super tired, but it's been a long day, so it's okay. It's tolerable. So it makes sense.
We're going back tomorrow.
We're leaving Hawaii tomorrow, which is really sad, but
Also good.
also good that we're able to go back to school and get some learning into our brains. Yay, exciting! I don't know. I feel like this whole trip has been super rewarding, also kind of crazy at the same time. But it's a remarkable journey. I don't know if you can see right now, there's like scent sticking onto my skin right now. It feels kind of fake, but also kind of satisfying.
The whole packet of
You have to come and say hi.
taco seasoning and just 2 whole things of salt.
안녕하세요.
What the fuck?
Literally just fucking stacked.
She's not Korean, guys. FYI.
I'm from the beauty land.
You're from what?
The beauty land.
What's the beauty line?
It's a land full of beauties like me.
But it's so easy to make.
Okay, that was awkward. Hey guys, this is currently the last day of Hawaii, and we're currently trying to grab some lunch before other plans. Hey guys, currently it's the last day of Hawaii and we're right now just packing our stuff and then heading on to grab some food and then they're gonna go catch the sunset while I'm gonna stay at the hotel and do a little last time kind of exploring around the hotel and also maybe potentially a little spa before heading out to the airport.
This late and then the whole boat shifts. Right?
Basically paddling for your life to have people not.
Peekaboo bar.
Hiding pig. On the fire.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we got one acai bowl and one ginger shot. That'll be all for breakfast. One last time visiting the supermarket in Hawaii. Doo-doo. Really gonna miss this place. Okay, what is she doing?
She's crazier.
Yeah, she is crazier.
I'm acting normal. Like that.
Wrapping up my time on the Big Island, it's hard to put into words how special this trip has been. It's my first time vlogging a trip and starting out on YouTube, and I think I still have a long way to go to get used to this whole YouTuber thing. This video is not perfect, but it's a start and I'm excited to keep figuring things out as I go. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.